Yeah, you're right, guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm just taking some pictures, as long as this don't blow too much, and get this in a nice shot here. We should be good, but just see if I can. Yeah, see, it just goes everywhere. So that's quite nice. I'd say I'm about a foot away at least. I'm about a foot away. Actually, if I come over slightly. There we go. So we're using the 15mm. Right, see if I can get this into focus. Here we go. We're using the 15mm lens, and also we've got the 16mm MKSAF 3A Meike tube on as well. So we've got the tube on. As you can see, it's blowing slightly backwards and forwards, but we've got one of those extension tubes on. Also, we're recording in 4K as well, so you can see the rest of this here is like sort of blanked out, and all you can see is just this main sort of little flower here, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, just basically in focus. But anyway, I'm using roughly ISO around about 400. I've got my f-stops around about 5.6, f5.6, and I've got my millimeters on feet. I got that basically at the light areas, and let's have a look. See if we can put this into infinity. Can we put this into infinity? See if we can get. Yeah. Don't know. So if I put it back to normal, see, it goes a little bit sort of. Looks slightly sharper, but it's one of these things. Yeah, that looks good. But I'm only doing like these little short videos at it's 50. Roughly, I'm shooting at 50mm, 1.17, so it's 1.7. 50mm, 1.7, but the f-stops I'm not using f1.7, I'm using 5.6, f5.6, and I'll tell you what, it's not a bad lens. I picked this up, I think this is either £80 or £90 for the lens, but it's really good. But also, it's really good when you've got the 16mm on. Also, if I put the 10mm a little bit back, so you might be able to get it more in focus. Might be able to get more into the subject. But anyway, guys and girls, if you enjoy this, let us know how you feel about this lens, or the tube itself. Just doing sort of like showing what's on here. But anyway, cheers for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next episode. It is today, actually it is, what's today? It is Sunday the 14th of July 2019, and it's 8:40 right now outside at night time. Still light, still quite bright. But anyway, cheers for watching, stay safe all, and see you soon.